The Sunshine Riff starts at the 12th fret on the D string. Pick that twice. Then play 10, then 12. The pick should be going down, up, down. Next, we're going to play 12, 11, 10 on the A string. And the index finger comes up to the 10th fret on the E string. And then play 13, 10. You can give this a slight pull down when you play that. Second time around, we're going to play it the same way. Except now, after we play this part, we're going to go back to the 12th fret on D, and then play the 10th fret on G, back to the 12th fret on D. And you give us a bit of a shake there. So that's the second half. So these notes, a 10, 13, 10 on the E string, a D and an F there, are the same notes here. Here's a D note, there's that F note. We play the Smoky Water riff first by playing the D and the G strings at the same time together. Open like that, so zeros. Zeros are open strings. Then we have the 3rd fret, so 3s, and then the 5th fret. So 0, 3, 5. The second time we go 0, 3, 6, 5. Then we do 0, 3, 5 again. Followed by 3, 0. Finish off with the number 1 riff here. Just starting on the A string with one finger, we'll go to the 2nd fret to play Iron Man, 2nd fret. To the 5th fret. Then pick the 5th fret and hold the finger down and slide up to the 7th. So we have. When you get to the 7th fret, pick it again. Now we go up to the 10th fret and then pick that, slide to the 9th fret. We do that twice. And then end up on the 10th fret. So 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. So now we have. And then back to the 5th fret. So we pick it once, then pick it again and slide. And then pick the 7th fret again. So we have. Once you can play that, you can turn it into power chords. I use my pinky to hold the power chord, which is on the string below, 2 frets over. So the 2nd and 4th frets. 5th and 7th frets, slide up to the 10 and 12th frets, and then back to the 5th and 7th frets. Now the original song is actually starting on the E string here. It's a B power chord, same as starting at the 2nd fret of the A string. I'm starting here. 7, 10, 10 slides to 12, Then the 15th fret slides to the 14th. Back to the 10th fret. Exact same notes.